Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So first thing for the balsamic meatballs is you want to get your oven, turn your oven onto its highest setting, and then I'm going to just I line a baking tray with some paper because it looks prettier and it makes it easier to clean up. Then you just want to pop your meatballs into the pan, and once they're in, spread them out a bit, and then we're just going to get them in the hot oven. And actually, don't wait for the oven to come up to temperature. Just put them in however hot it is and set the timer for 13 minutes. Okay, so when the meatballs have had 13 minutes, get them out. If they're looking brown, you know that they're well cooked. And then we want to pour over a quarter of a cup of balsamic vinegar. Just any regular old balsamic from the supermarket is fine. Give it a bit of a shake. And then I've got my ricotta on the serving platter. So I'm using a good ricotta. I actually got this from the supermarket, but you can get ricotta in baskets, which is firmer, and I think it's nicer for this dish. But you could also use the regular ricotta from a tub if you don't have, either ricotta will be fine. And then you just want to scoop the balsamic meatballs over on top, and all the lovely balsamic juices on top of the ricotta. And then I'm just going to finish with some toasted pine nuts, but you could use any nuts here just to give some crunch and a bit of interesting texture. And then I'm going to finish with some baby spinach leaves on the side, but you could use any cooked or raw veg that you like as well. And dinner is ready for you. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.